You're welcome back to FelBeck TV. Recently, we've been posting videos regarding revamping of our father's poultry farm. And today, I'm here with the old man himself. I want us to get the experience that we need in order to sail through this wonderful journey that we have embarked on. And we can't do it without his experience. And that is the reason why I brought the old man, so he can be of benefit to you and to any other person who wants to venture into any poultry farm. So my dad is here. I call him the German. When I say German, he responds, Jassy.
All pirates, yes, they're by. So to the merchant ship.
That's him. The one and only hardcore man. You are welcome to FelBeck TV.
All right, thank you.
We'll find introduce more farm.
This is Co Farms. Yes, the best and the only one. The Obushi Farms.
Yeah,
the best are very, very big and no doubt. Yeah.
You guys are forcing my father to speak English. Yeah. But today we will not speak English. We want to get to the core. Yeah. So you'll be hearing a little bit of FelBeck, fancy. Yeah. So German, how many years why poultry?
Oh, actually, no. Say I started 96.
96.
And let me say 30 years.
Yeah, it's almost 30 years. Yeah. 29 to 30 years experience. German, your first consignment, your first best alcohol.
That was a technical blow.
Yeah, that was a technical blow. You didn't expect it. Yeah. You didn't see it coming.
That was 200 or so, 250. And you fire. And it
first way I will fire 200. Yes, I remember that it
was a cocker.
It was a cocker.
Yeah.
And you didn't start with broiler.
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. On the way go, don't do that. Don't go there.
Don't go there. Let us go there. What happened?
Rough.
Okay.
As a beginner.
So what is the advice here? Beginner.
Easy.
And then
well, that is inexperience.
Okay.
And I make Rocky by no be who say problem more inside. And it was coxy.
Wow. No wonder like over coxy dear go cry like anytime you are very keen on coxy. Okay. I come here you be
kuomu papa na so no
yeah, those is let's go. Okay.
Na no so na stand for me and
it's occupational hazard.
Kajumano is happening to who in terms of obo now
usually when you watch other videos like people come and they tell you oh poultry this can oh poultry, but people don't tell you the other side of poultry. Say poultry to me and those things.
Yes.
Yeah, like you are sharing with us. Yes. After the cockroaches and I'll
cover
broiler. So broiler was
your problem maybe.
Broiler fine.
Broiler no me for 100.
And now marketing no cost.
Oh market
first. Oh yeah. Okay. So it means you enjoyed the poultry journey.
Yes.
Yeah, up to today. Yeah. As usual. From third day going in the poultry, mini ni yano.
Thursday no. Ya do mobile no. Ya do call no dan ya bompire.
Yeah.
And you two share radinsa. And I feel start is can't you say and part say quantity no aswana. And at the same time so apart from quantity no so no say who you or more who say a be or more as a on your papa na although honor you didn't want my no near prayer who say ya be say nyina yo okay ana na so so do mo be say wo sa tobo wo kan say aso no na fe wo study wo nyina ntu wi asa nwumre no say anopa no no am vitamin C any vitamin na wo de good so no mama wo na wo de aduane na ka wo enti eno na wo be ya se eba ne se problem bi wo mu a wo behu
problem
to say e bia coxi bi pese sim
ye de o maba no chase na
it means happen.
Okay I no na free hatchery ho na
free hatchery ho na wo ma hu ana say wo so wa hu into the farm no mu no omo enni ye no na bo say no da bi coxi wo mu
na coxi na no etesen
ye white ye omo ni a bini no ye white na so omo nyini du ba bi ansa na coxi no utumi hu ni ye pa say we no coxi no akoyese chewing gum bisa na red moja
obehu moja and not just white ne
dabi ono de say white a tora bi no omunni a omunidi na so omunni a utumi say toilet no so ye white bisa na so na nye white a ye white it say watintefia gu fom na so no we no ye coxi no utumi say ye thick and those no say ye thick wo toilet na one no ano akwati say sene kotre oni a obense na last minute say black as white
black white
sa if say ono no nyini obetumi ane amo hu say kobre na so mo ye na sa pa utumi say da bi nkofo kosi wo
it means that you need to be vigilant. So to you out there, these are the tricks you can use to identify say coxi at the low cheek level.
The low cheek level.
You
know, from 5 days go, you know, and now be who san your man and Kazan said there be a more coxi and you besa coxi do start a drum kakra now they are fra vitamin now they are mao into benze ombeni
Nina from Internet. I already remember for how many
months, how many days? 2 days.
2 days.
2 days. You want to be you am film. Be sa problem na film. So omunyini ya ube mom coxi no. Coxi comes a second week. First week no vitamin C. Now they be mom sa with antibiotic vitamin. Poultry and BMD
aminovite
the enonoma omo okwa pure antibiotics no so wo and antibiotic vitamin no so wo ansana coxi no so wo enti sa week no mu no wo ma omo na se coxi minima ube more vitamin antibiotic no sa
that's the first week.
Yes,
in the first week, you know, vitamin C. Then we enter into the second week. In the second week, you know, what goes on?
Second week, you know, then we come back to coxi.
Yeah, coxi. In the second week, you know, and now the mom
coxi, no. And then the ube mom coxi with vitamin.
Coxi vitamin.
Which comprises amprodom 20, amprodom 200, amprodom 300.
That's for the
coxi. That is coxi
amprolium. Yeah,
amprodom
usually
30.
That is what we have.
Very good. I don't know now. Besa. They are mom. I don't know mom 1 week.
No, not just say. Even when you have not detected, say coxi or hokrana, what's our mom coxi?
Coxi second week. You can't escape it.
So it's a preventive measure. So that before you treat it.
Yes. And at the same time, no vitamin, obirumu ba day one now they started giving antibiotic vitamin. Comprising Poultry and others. Then so when I make an answer with experience, no come. Now so who's a problem be anymore? You ignore the antibiotic vitamins, the Poultry, you ignore it. You just give them vitamin C.
That is for the first week. So the second week is coxi.
Coxi.
How many days?
That is 3 days.
Coxi 3 days.
Then we go back to antibiotic vitamin.
Antibiotic vitamin. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Previously, 7th day, you give them plain water.
Okay. 7th day, which is second week.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you brought them on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday morning, you give them plain water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any particular reason? I didn't know what's your mom plain water.
They say to cleanse the system.
Okay. It will detoxic
the system.
The system. More or less like you are detoxifying the body.
That's right.
Okay.
So open swar, you just continue. So far as there is no problem. If you are little experience, or with your experience, you can ignore that plain water.
Okay. Fast forward, we move on from the first week, second week. Now third week. Third week, which is 21 days.
That one too, and also plain water.
21 days.
Plain water, plain water. Until adechia, now we come back to antibiotic vitamin.
Okay. Until the plain water. Third week, anopa.
First week, no plain water.
Yes.
Second week, there should be a plain water.
The 7th day.
The 7th day.
Yes.
Now one more coxy.
Okay, yeah. After 7 days, no more plain water now. Then you follow it with coxy.
Coxy. 3 days. Then you come back to plain water.
Okay, coxy in 3 days. After 3 days,
then you come back to plain water. Then you go to pump strip. That is vitamin antibiotics.
Yeah.
Now say a 2. So mom antibiotic and kasa the now you should add vitamin to it. Now say antibiotics antibiotic vitamin combined.
Okay.
Yes. I can't boom in there. Now mom antibiotic now and says also vitamin can because we know or ma combine now. Drone walk or match antibiotic vitamins.
Okay.
Combine.
Okay.
Now say uko now say antibiotic combine vitamin
combine.
And your nature say pure antibiotic and so much wrong.
Okay.
Pure antibiotic.
Okay.
And no oba now say the mom sana ebi no how omunum ebi nso how omunum.
Okay.
Vitamin just to let them feel so pure water is let me drink more. It is anti-na my vitamin no count. No man, if you say secondary, no so no coxy and coxy go start no. And you know.
Okay.
So the good so no man almost say
vitamins be and count. International say vitamins no. Okay. 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 And yes, I you use coxin in Quandia. Okay.
No so person or na otumi any coxin na ko say mofra yare na chiri omuti no o trash ogbo or so mo friend no o say mofra yare bi no ho ya na
let's say scratch conversion. Yeah.
Ana ye o mo so
nti china otwahwe
china obense o pre sa kai na wuro no.
Oh, okay.
Ekosoniti ti ase na ni so chino ti to no sa na wuro sa nti be ko no be se na obutu da bi wadaya ya.
That's it. Okay.
That is coxy.
Okay. We've discussed a lot about coxy. You see, those of you who don't know coxy now, I mean, this fellow should tell you that, yeah, indeed, if you see any of these signs in your farm, you should know that coxy na kind of home. Yes.
So actually, so be grandpa. Umia ne tunu pa wense na epue.
Okay, umia akoko ne tun a.
Umia na ya se hotunu a wense na epue.
Whitish we no.
Yeah.
Okay. So fast forward, you first week, second week, third week. Now fourth week, which is for 1 month. And then you who family. What do we experience? I mean, this one's how many?
This one's no, and then nomunya 5 weeks.
And then nomunya 5 weeks, which is 1 month, 1 week. Okay.
Ni nyina mu no, obo say o ma o musa vaccine ni nyina. First Newcastle, second Newcastle.
But October first week, you know,
which is first Newcastle and first Gomboro. Emumbia.
Okay, how would you know say oh me prefer Gomboro, me prefer first Newcastle?
Ni nyina ko gina system nu.
Okay.
Ni nyina ko gina system nu. If you say a tore bi a wo na wo farm no, na onim say ne emwa no etie. Na Gomboro no oya too stubborn.
Okay, stubborn I say.
O ku omo rough. Nkoko 1000 betume ku omo within 30 minutes.
Okay, so Gomboro no infection.
Yeah. So ono na me pese ono so kan.
So the Gomboro no yare the vaccine no and your friend no Gomboro. Okay.
Ti no ono Gomboro no otawo. Ono ofa wo mu no oba.
Okay.
When the weather is cool. Uremu abu akra.
Obekum nkoko ni nyina. Okay.
No no so no ku omo a wo kwa wese obutu wo sei. O man so wese wo. Ono no onda ya. Ono no sono no obutu ti says sene achichiri anase sene akoko no to no. O man we say
nze no sa ube de hu se Gomboro eba o fam nim.
Ube say omo start e show sign ti sene omo wu ba ko mienu ba ko bi. Nti ba ko mienu na se wo hwe se sene aboa no wampre e no wu ye. Trouble bia ni fam no be kom na mienu miensa. Ba ko mienu miensa. Unhu a ese o de ko na e ba no sanso a ni toilet no ono a ni toilet no enye whitish and enye brownish a wo be ka se eye gossy. Se gossy no na ya na aye tete
chewing gum. So it means you always have to pay attention to their feces.
That's right.
Toilet no kwa and you say oh tie me na your time there but you are studying their toilet and everything.
Yes,
okay.
Yes. Enti ye ka no first Gomboro first week no ubetumi amam first Gomboro.
Okay.
Second week no amam first Newcastle.
Newcastle no so yare is one of the infections and I say diseases that can enter into the farm. So the first Newcastle.
Anu echi no na wasaba third week. Na wako second Gomboro.
Third week. Until with the vaccines no. Is it the exact day would my first one and one I would be my second one. And I say oh any day they are paying the week
say mami no oton weekly na vaccine no you man weekly.
Okay.
Weekly.
Okay.
Nti say mo hono aha no mami no oba Friday any Tuesday. We be sense oba Friday. Nti say Friday ni bibi ni na nti no antumi anko ankoto a. Tuesday no akoto.
Okay.
Nti no mami no oba yan yakoko ton Tuesday.
Okay.
So Tuesday no yanko ankoto a na Friday akoto. Ebia na nsuo ato. Nti saa nsuo na eto na ntumi ama ono mami na kasa nso mpo amba. Nti no uso redi abonche da bi se ni nsuo ato de mami yomba. Nembo se wo baabi a unim se ye ton vaccine no ha omo ton 1000 omo ton 500 eno no wankasa upetumi akoto. Ebia won kokọ na 400 300 ubetumi akoto 500 de. Nti anytime anopa provided period in a week.
Okay.
So
a weekend.
Say a week. It can be weekend. Okay. Maybe I will turn Saturday.
The next Saturday.
Okay. Fear ubetumi ya maomo.
Okay.
Maybe maomo first one Saturday. Until it should be weekly. Until ubetumi ya mom. Next Saturday eba.
Okay.
So turn Friday mom Friday a week Friday ubetumi ya Saturday mom. J ebia Friday na wo de ma omo no bibi ntinu wantumi ama omo anu no de wow dia.
Okay.
Ntinu wo betumi ama omo the following day anopa.
Okay.
Sa 2 days na abeka ho no
enya ne hwe. Okay, nti e bia pound say a week now upe say esi super pepe kra na pound 1 day 2 days kra enya hwe. Okay. So if you've watched to this end, guys, I don't see the reason why you are not subscribing to this channel. This is the only channel that can give you the best. So subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying the conversation I'm having with my old man. Yeah. Okay, so German, so straight up 4 weeks. 4 weeks in 1 month.
4 weeks in 1 month.
Yes.
Until 4 weeks in Ubeduno. No one man vaccine in first gomboro.
Yes.
That is 1 week.
1 week.
If you brought them the week, it's first gomboro.
The second week, first
Newcastle. The third week, second gomboro.
Okay.
The fourth week,
the second Newcastle. Okay. So these are the vaccines that you can introduce.
Yeah. So as at now, no, fourth week, no, vaccines in
okay.
Okay. CCR no, yeah, call fifth week. Fifth week, no, you better we more.
Okay, so the fifth week, you know, yeah. At this level.
Yeah.
Now, guys, I hope you can see. Yes. So the best they are even ready. Yeah, you can chew them 5 weeks. This is 5 weeks. Yeah. That is 1 month, 1 week. Yeah. That is what they are saying, guys. And they are even ready for you to chew. Yeah. Yes. But at this level, we are not done. So he's going to take us through. So 5 weeks.
5 weeks. So it's like they say, Ochna, you better do more. You better more sooner do.
Okay. I don't know more musicians. Nipa na no musicians do ba. Akoko de e di we ma akoko aye dey.
Almost didi. Almost didi dey. So no ba omo yam.
Na wa ma omo di we ma dey na me.
Eku omo. Ti say say na eku ye nipa no so eku omo.
Okay. So the fifth week di we ma. Until the mom di we ma.
Yeah. Okay. U study kra wo mom na komu a wo say no man ni agum. No man ni so no man in agum.
So the toilet they plays a major role. Yeah. Okay. Into German 5th week now, yema the woman. At what point in time? Because in Kokono mobile your mom kudis broiler starter. Then at what point in time yes sasa edraneno?
So on say 6 week no. Ya besa mom second Newcastle. Na ya finish it vaccines.
Okay.
And so we use 2 types of feed in 3 crown you use CCA okroma. Okay. Is in there. Omono but say 7-8 weeks no and one are ready.
Am I ready? I think as 7-8
weeks.
8 weeks.
And one are ready.
Okay. Obeton. Roughly 2 months.
Am I ready? Obeton. Now, so one you so could just dia and yeah, so we do better 6 weeks going ya. What's the sound finisher?
Okay.
Your broiler finisher.
Okay.
And no, a Bruno Dawson. Okay. Namno Dawson libre, a Bruno Dawson.
Into starter no broiler starter no feed no Namno Dawson.
No near rich.
Very rich. Okay.
That is
that's the protein.
There's Yawa Bofrana, yeah, Mano. Make ni no makama upanyimu ya ko ma we sa na wanke ya
be bloti. Okay.
Ntino wanyini awie onidi sa you know onidi kabo.
Okay, so 6 weeks then you introduce
a finisher.
Broiler finisher. More maize. The carbono is more than the protein. Okay.
Until you started selling them.
Okay. So this is 5th week.
Yeah.
Yes. So right after the Wema, we continue to
give them the that we can give them.
Okay.
The 3 days coxy, plain water.
Yeah.
3 days antibiotic vitamin. 3 days plain water.
Okay. Okay.
Now and also no so do baby. Now so who say problem be anymore. We bet me ama vitamin.
Okay.
Instead of antibiotic, instead of coxy. And no boy thing. Problem na je asolve. Was study who say problem ni mu no. You just give them the vitamin to drink the water and eat for you.
Okay. In German, at a point, you know, nkukọ na so munya be 3 weeks or so. 3 weeks going. Ebo no ma ye biem. Why? Aden na was say ye bie ebo ni.
So on say ya di omo ba even atompo say ye ko awo mu a obo say abofa no ne maame awo no ya de ntuma kata no ho echechire no because of awo no enti afi awo no echire no bo say afi ya de nipue kakra enti say ya basa no 3 weeks ana say you know ebuo no esese ye bue mu efise sesi ano menyinyini nti o manyinyin no afi o mo chiri o mo obuo no
okay
ana ba no sansa space count se buo no mu trema o mo a o mo tumi yakese ntem
okay nti secret mam kokotumi yen kese no
space
oh okay
space
okay
we say o mi se na the space o ma oh gidi no tu no ko
yeah
kano nti no be wan so ayekese
okay nti space no
space and mo ye kese kama
okay
say onya kwan etumika onya kwan kwa ha enya okwa na odi no akopim obi ana so obi di no abapim no dabi na numu no na ube ridi space no so anya sa wo man kese baako sa ubue kese ubue no kese a hwe se omuntakra na ba nti omuntakra no ba ansa na ubeyi rubber no upe a ubetumi ebue mu na so ubekata rubber no
okay
ubekata rubber no a bema dan mu aban so no heat na temperature na okay ma wo mo
okay
nti we say odi ne kakra we say o we say sa obinum ankokọ be say 6 weeks kra o mu do say
okay nti that is a space no
na
okay so we've actually opened up the space for them in order for us to have energetic and very bushy fowls for you to choose. So I don't see why you would bypass us and go and buy your fowl anywhere. This Christmas, this is the right place for you to buy your fowls. I mean, proper, because we will be chewing these fowls ourselves. So this is the right place. But German, you have to say broiler there. Omo very lazy. Ebi mo say the way omo tie no omo ho nya den omo exercise enough. There na like farm we are ma nkokoye very active. The point no ma ye peja omo water trough na ba so na adenti na ma ni ye sa
so on say no broiler kase no na oye ni ha ni pa ni ha boa onya mi pe be ho na o man say obeda ho ma 3 days
okay
nsuo kura na tore bia agi ni nua bia pia na ansa na akọ no nsu kom dem enti no o maso a oba na obegina ho a ojina ho na afi ama ni kotoju no mu yade
okay
if you say tore bia aduane no say odi a obutu okra na no so feeder box no mu
okay
enti na no be say obutu no odi nanso say nsuo no so no oba na obebutu na asa na no ka nsuo no dia na no afi obe say moa no sama be ka say uton no mu nyina asai omu nyina na ebubu na atofo no so mo ba na aboa no na ebubu sa afi omu say
okay
na ya ma ayi nsuo chance no so na oba no atumi agina ho na wanom.
What would be your advice to somebody who wants to start poultry? Somebody who is into poultry but ofele say oh baby ade no kode enkoye. Into what would be your advice?
Oh no credit e ba ko pe adwuma no first ne na sika nkomu bebre sa se sia ni sika no sika bam sika udi sika be hemu mo
okay
na first no so no se ne na nkoko wu se sia nkoko wu sa
okay
se sia nkoko no be wu ana efiri wo fama no ubu ni wani gu nyoma
bi so okay
ebu no ma yefin osi ochina
yeah
ebu no ma yefin osi ochina
before we even continue ebu no yefin what does it do to ebu no like what does it do to them mboa no
ebu no yefin a edane gas
okay
na ekowo mumu so didi mia wabutu ho nti be se gas ni konumu sa we ade ba chi no be se na waye no fo
the gas is ammonia gas like it's out of their fecal matter mixed with the sawdust
nti be se konumu sa be se na yi ada coxi ana se
okay nti how frequently should you change ebuo ni mu
ebuo ni mu de so wa ukomu na emu afin a wo be hu your experience no be say wo take gas no po say yes gas no ba nti say osesa
nti ukoma we say steady nti e bia wo spread fresh sawdust 2-3 days 5 days per
at least be say 1 week kra no emu nyefin a no problem
okay this is your advice to upcoming poultry farmers, people want to get into poultry, and then I'll be catch them.
Oh, near make me a catch up, say no credit back up. Pe obi a onim yo na pe kakra hye no fa na say o
Godfather and our mentor.
Na paper na no kakra na on kyerɛ
consultancy akɔkra person consultancy
on kyerɛ enu anu no
okay
na dwuma ne de ukure ska obenyiska.
Oh, okay.
Ukure ska obenyiska.
All right. So you advise the youth to go into it?
That is the best.
Oh, it is the best.
Yeah.
Apparently, yes. 100% profit.
And no
German, and then I'll catch your customers.
German, yes, one of my ready and it's 11 weeks. Until one we are we no na kafosi efu
na wa fun e
hye ebize ensuo ni aboa no wanyini kama.
That's right.
Ne nam no nyina nyini kama. Enye 6 weeks nkoko and enye 8 weeks nkoko. 10 11.
Yeah.
10 11 weeks. Na no so no wu sa akoko no ni a utumi say yes. We dey kwache obi anase obi di chewa we be say oh yes what akoko. Enti no obi mu fi North Carnation Lady B ofi North Carnation ana mame ba ko nso ofi Dansoma Ponano Hosad oba o took up straight baha ba beto. Enti momo de mbra.
That's right.
Wo ba so e be your fine. Obi nu tumi ba wo ta ye che ngosia je koma mofra no na omunchi.
Yes. Yeah. So you heard it right from the old man and right here. So guys, I don't see the reason why you go and buy somewhere else. We are talking about 11 weeks compared to other ones that is being sold on the market 6 to 8 weeks. No, that one too, when you are chewing, you don't get that taste. There is a secret this old man has, and that one we can't reveal it, but he does something to his fowls, and that is the only thing that differentiates his fowls from other ones on the market. So this Christmas we'll be expecting you. You can call us, we will dress it before you even get to the farm. We will dress it and we'll package it, and before you say Jack, we have delivered it to you. Thank you for watching this video. I did this with the one and only German, the owner of this and Co farms. Yes,
there is only one God, that is Jesus Christ. Allah.
Yes. We out.